Hey everybody, my name is Juan Lombana and I am the co-founder of Agent and Wealth, but I'm also part of the Wolfpack team here at eXp. Now, one of the benefits of eXp is that eXp helps their agents build some equity through the stock awards. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the stock awards work and how you can actually build equity while you do the same thing that you are probably doing at your current brokerage. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, so let's talk about the stock awards. This is super exciting because this is definitely an opportunity that eXp offers their agents to build and create some wealth within their business, okay? Now, this over here, as you can see on my screen, this is something that I talked to you guys about on another video, but I just wanted to give you an idea where the stock awards sit within the eXp model. We talked about how the 1% creates wealth and how eXp helps agents create wealth. One of the opportunities that eXp gives agents is, of course, through passive income, through the revenue share, equity through stock awards, and of course active income. So in this video, I'm going to show you how agents at eXp create equity through the stock awards. Okay, so let's get started. Now over here on the screen, I'm going to show you how it works in Canada and the US. Very similar, just different amounts. But eXp gives agents or rewards the agents with free eXp stocks whenever the agents reach certain milestones within a calendar year. Okay, so I'm going to explain what those milestones are and how much eXp is going to give you for free in eXp stocks. Okay, so there's 4 different ways in which you're going to be getting free stock from eXp. The first way that you can get free stock, eXp stocks from eXp, is whenever you complete your first transaction on each of the calendar years. So for example, if you join eXp today, let's say it's July, and you close your first transaction with eXp in August, that first transaction with eXp within that first year, eXp is going to award you $270 worth of eXp stock, okay? For free. Again, you were gonna do this anyways with any other company, might as well do it with eXp because they're giving you for free, for doing the same thing that you were going to do somewhere else, $270 worth of stock, okay? Now, the second way that you can get stock awards is whenever you attract an agent. Remember, you can actually bring agents underneath you as part of your team. So whenever that person underneath you closes or completes their first deal, eXp will reward you $540 worth of eXp stocks, okay? Again, you didn't have to do anything. You brought somebody, that person underneath you closed their first deal, you get $540 worth of eXp stock, okay? Pretty cool, right? Again, you're not doing anything. All you're doing is the regular job that you would do on any other brokerage, all right? Now, the third milestone when eXp gives you free stock is whenever you fulfill your full cap of $16,000 during each anniversary year. Okay, so remember, let me just share this with you real quickly here. We're on an 80-20 split as a brokerage with a $16,000 cap. Oh, okay, I crossed that, right? Now, for example, if you sell a house and you get $10,000 commission, because this is an 80-20 split, you will get $8,000 as your commission, and $2,000 out of those $10,000 will go to eXp, okay? If you were to close another deal, of course, for another $10,000, for example, $8,000 goes to you, $2,000 goes to eXp. By closing those 2 deals, you have contributed $4,000 towards the $16,000, right? So whenever you actually contribute back $16,000 to eXp, so whenever you actually reach your, let me just see here. So whenever you reach your cap, eXp is going to award you $540 worth of eXp stock for free. Okay, so they're awarding you for stuff that you probably would do somewhere else. Okay, there's nothing extra, you don't have to do anything else. You're pretty much doing the same job that you would be doing in any other brokerage, but you're getting all this free money worth of stocks, eXp stocks. Okay, now the last way that you get eXp stock awards is if you become an icon agent. So an icon agent is when you reach your full cap plus a certain number of homes that you sold after you reach cap. Okay, so they have an actual number that you have to reach after you reach cap to become an icon agent. And the cool thing is you have a chance to win up to $16,000 worth of eXp stock, which eXp gives you for free. Okay, so if you think about it, if you become an icon agent, you can actually get up to $16,000 worth of eXp stock for free, plus $540, plus if you sponsor somebody, $540, plus $270. So it's about $17,000, $18,000 worth of free stock that you definitely would not get somewhere else. Okay, if you want more information about how to become an icon agent on eXp, I have another video in which I explain it a little bit more in depth, but this is pretty much how it works. Okay, so those are the stock awards here in Canada. If you were in the States, you're watching this, it's the same thing, but of course the numbers change. So it's $200 for your first closed deal each year, $400 whenever you bring somebody underneath you and that person closes, $400 whenever you cap your fulfillment cap, and then $16,000, which is the same as in Canada. Once you become an icon agent, again, you can earn up to $16,000 in free eXp stock. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Hopefully it makes sense, and all I'm saying is this is free money that is going to build equity. Because, for example, if whenever you earn, let's say, this $400 worth of stock, and the stock is worth $10 a stock, and in 5 years you decide to sell it, and that stock is not worth $10 but $50, of course the difference is the equity that you made for doing nothing. Okay, so again, this is the opportunity that eXp is giving the agents to build some equity without doing much, because this is for free. Remember, guys, you're selling houses anyways. Why not get some free extra bonuses like free stocks for doing the job that you were going to do anyways? Okay, if you have any more questions regarding how the stock awards work, what I want you to do is just book a call with us. Okay, it's 10-15 minutes. I can explain it more in depth, and I can explain how you can actually become a wealthy agent, okay, by leveraging eXp and all the tools that they give you. If it works, if it's something that interests you, we can move on to the next step. If not, that's okay. At least I had the opportunity to meet somebody new, talk to somebody, learn about your business. But again, there's no hard feelings, nothing to lose. So hopefully this worked, guys, and helped you. If not, if you need more information, book an appointment. There is a button somewhere below here somewhere. Besides that, guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.